Trump confirms death of Osama bin Laden's sons. US-Turkey remains incredibly important NATO partner. Gaza Strip, Israeli army induced 10 Palestinians. Israel uses force to disperse protest in West Bank. OIC set to discuss Netanyahu's annexation remarks. UN probe on Idlib attack to begin by September's end. Drones strike Saudi oil facilities. Libya, Haftar forces attack international airport in Tripoli. EU provides fresh €2 million fund for Rohingya. Pakistan and Afghanistan border crossing opens 24 hours. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia discuss defense cooperation. Indian actions in Kashmir breed extremism, Pakistan.